I do bring my iPad. That is for when I'm not driving, obviously. I bring a couple sets of clothes and stuff for showering. On the road, we will stop at different truck stops. I have picked Pilots because I have a Pilot reward card, and that's where we fuel. With the reward card, actually, I can get free showers from that, so that gets me my couple showers through the week till I get home. And I bring food, stuff that can be kept in the truck that doesn't need to be refrigerated. Medicines too, you have to bring medicines if you're on medicine, so, and stuff to drink. So I try to drink water as much as possible. I think that's pretty much everything.